Hello everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to change password of Dropbox. So before moving on, if you have not subscribed to Webtech Tutorials, hit the subscribe button to our channel for everyday Webtech tutorials and solutions to your web problems. So let's move on to how to change your Dropbox password. So first of all, tap open your Dropbox application. Then you need to go to the sign in page. So you can change the password simply by going to forgot password. For that, you need to tap on having trouble signing in at the middle of your screen. Then you can tap on forgot password. So to move on to the password changing process, you need to first of all enter your email address. Enter your email address to which you want to change your password. Then you need to tap on reset password. Then you will receive an email to your account from Dropbox. So now you need to go back and check the email sent by Dropbox to your email account. So you have received the reset password email from Dropbox. Now tap open the email address. So tap open the email that you received from Dropbox. Then you can tap on the reset password. Then it will have to be opened in a browser. So choose a browser and open this email. Then it will take you to the reset password page of Dropbox. So here you can enter a new password. So enter a new password that you want to change into, and you have to re-enter it in the next box as well. So after you have entered your new password and in the second box you have re-entered it in the correct way, you can tap on the submit button. And therefore the password reset process has ended and your password has been changed of your Dropbox successfully. Now you can enter your new password and email address to sign into your Dropbox account once again. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you have learned how to change your password to Dropbox from this video. If it was helpful to you, do like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to Webtech Tutorials for more upcoming videos and contents. If you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section.